What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ka sorkar Meghalaya kala Mynjur ya ka song pisa ban kyrshan ya ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Haka ban pen kuy ya ka tulap ka basateng bat ban pen tikna ban siw ya ka tulap haka puar ka babiang shakinong tri jongka. Hadin ka jing penya ya ka jingelang jong ka kinhun mintri haka lai po trik nai lor. U mintri ramba ka jela u Conrad ki sangma. Ulapun bena baka sorkar jela kan pelat ya ka pisa lupa ka bakumba sanpo klur tingka syaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Ka bakan top ya ka arpasah do arpasan klur tingka naka baha jong ka council hi naka khajna baka jingsiu by benrap ka ba arpasan klur tingka nadu upanai no pra hadu upanai no pra. Ya kan ka rai la shim kat kum ka jing ai jing mut jong ka committee ka ba hapa po ka tarat kam jong ka district council hadin baka sub committee ka ba ya trilang bat ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kala IT ya ka kai pot jong ka dangshan hadin ka jinga keren ka babnia bat ka sub committee bat ka jinga keren ka babnia bat ka EC jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council bat las ngotho ek jingdon kam bat ka jing e jongki ka sorkar jala bat ka kinhun menteri kala rai ban plai lupa ya ka bha jong ka council bat ka royalty jongki bat da ka ne kin la ban siewi ki kattu ka ne ki tulam ka basa khat ar banai bat ka ne ka jing plai ya ka bha ka council la Mynjur lang da ka kinhun menteri menta kasni ong usangma hakinong thok khubor kumba arpasaw do arpasan klur tingka ka bangidon kum ka bha jongki hi na ka khajna ka bodan bat ka sorkar jala kata ka de ka pisa jongki ka bangin supply chaki hakabaya de bak arpasan klur tam kandan kam man siwe ka pisa ka basa teng khat arbnai bat kumju ru ban siwe ka tulap kat ba ka sorkar kan pelat biang yaka hakashitarik unai wiang ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kat bu yaka ESCROW account ban pentik na ba yaka pisa on pendan kam tang nakabenta ka tulap ula pensha shu kumbang la ong kani kam de ka no kono ka jingarap ni ka no kono ka jingarap kam shuma dan AA kabala rai menta kasni tang ka wei kabala rai ka long bangi pelait no ya pisa lupa jong ka royalty bat ki baha ki bat ki don ki ba ki dei hok jongki bat na do ki por ban wan ki don kat tu kan jing ai lupa ki ba ki dawa ban pela ya ki ban pentre kam u menteri rangba ula pentip ru ba ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kala Mynjur ban pediang ya ka jingthong ya officer IAS kum u principal secretary ringkat ka jingterwa ban pelong ya deputy commissioner kum u ex official principal secretary badai nakakam jong u ki babun na kinong tre jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ki badan khat aspa hadu khalai spa ngon kelas soy ki kot kisla ki babdiang ya ka jing ai pisa ha ka ba kumba praspa ngot kinong tre kila ai ka jing Mynjur da ka jing tho ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ka pdiang ya ka bat ha ka jing shisha ngila yo ek signature campaign ni ka jing soy pat ba da ki jing tho jong kumba praspa ngot kinong tre bat pha e ki kot kisla sha ka sub committee da ka ba ong ba ki pdiang ya ka ni tulop an siu henry kumba ngala ong na ka benta jongi in supply lupa e ki bha jongki ula ong Shu umintri rangba ula pentip ba ka sorkar jala kala kyrshan di ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council da ka ba pelat pisa bat ai pisa shu hagi di license baladam kam day bangile tang menta wat hagi por baladam la pelat pisa sha ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ban siu tulam ha ka jing shisha hagi di south nam shiteng kumba sapu arbnai ka tulap la siu bat ka babun ka pisa kala mi na marsa shisien ngila pelat shu ya ka pisa kum ka jingershan ha ka liang ka pisa ula benram
regarding the recommendations that have come from the subcommittee that has been set up for the different district councils. So we had a report that has come today, few days back, from the Garo Hills District Council Committee. Subcommittee report has already been submitted. And based on this subcommittee report, the the committee under the District Council Affairs Department has submitted to a proposal to the cabinet, and the proposal is as follows: that after detailed discussion with the subcommittee and with the detailed discussion with the EC of the Garo Hills District Council and understanding their needs and concerns, the state government and the cabinet today has decided to release in advance the share of the councils in their royalty. And with this, they will be able to clear certain amount of backlog, approximately 12 months, and will be able to pay salaries on time. And this advance against the share of the councils, as I said, is what has been agreed by the cabinet today. In line with that, the EC has also agreed that once this advance against the share of the council is given to them, they will also accept the appointment of an IAS officer as principal secretary to the GHADC. Asked for an advance because there is a requirement of paying 12 months of the backlog. So we'll be releasing enough amount so that they can pay the backlog and also so that they can pay the salary on November 1st.
The figure is
Approximately there is about 24-25 crores which we have as their own share of taxes, which is with us right now, with the state government. So that is their due, which we will be releasing to them. And another advance of about 25 crores more will be required to pay the 12 months backlog, and also to pay the additional 1 month, to pay the salary on 1st of November also. We have not decided officially, but in the cabinet we have proposed that since the chairman of the subcommittee was the deputy commissioner, so let the deputy commissioner be the ex officio principal secretary, so that even if an individual changes, the position of the deputy commissioner will be, whoever sits in that position will be the principal secretary to the council. No, as I said, that this is not, again, let me repeat, this is not any kind of bailout package. This is not any kind of intervention. There is nothing decided today. Only thing that has been decided, which I want to very clearly clarify, is that we are releasing the advance of the royalties and the shares that they have, which is their dues. But from the future, of course, there are certain advances that they require. So we'll be releasing that to enable them to be able to pay the 12 months backlog, and also to be able to enable them to pay the salaries on the 1st of every month. We have accepted it, and in fact we have got a written signature campaign of about close to 800 employees have signed and sent documents to the subcommittee saying that they accept this, and so out of 1200, 1300 employees, majority of them have written and sent it to us. And of course, as the EC will further decide on how the salaries will be paid, so that is up to them. But as I said, for us, we'll be releasing their share in advance, and it will be put into an escrow account so that we can ensure that this money is used for salary purpose. So the employees had raised this issue about 3 months back. So this the what do they call, the not the band, what do you call the correct word? They had stopped going to work. The strike, the office strike. This happened about 3 months back. And of course, then we took the decision that we will come in and work towards it. And I also want to share that even in the last 3 years, as I said, we have already been supporting the council by releasing funds to them, and additional funds also has been given. So it's not that we are reacting only now. Even in the past, funds have been released to the Garo District Council to enable them to pay salaries. So in fact, in the last 4.5 years, about 42 months of salaries have been paid. And a large amount of that has come out because we have again released some additional amount in terms of advance to them. So therefore, we have been interfering and intervening. I don't say interfering, I think intervening is a correct word. Intervening to support them in terms of the salaries and financially. So it's not just now, it's been happening for long. It's come out in public domain because elections are coming, so press is more interested. The money is going in terms of an advance of the royalty share, which is their due, which is their money, but we're paying it in advance. This money will be put into the account of the district council. District council will then pay the salaries of the employees. Only condition we are putting is that it should be in an escrow account, which is meant for salary and salary only. So that when some money comes in, it should not be used for TADA, it should not be used for other bills, nothing. It should be used for salary. So the answer to the question is, money is going to be given by us as advance. Once it enters their account, it will be paid by the district council to their employees.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.